Welcome, today in front of me TCL Top 10 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app on this device. So let's just first launch the Gmail application, and after that here let's tap on the right upper corner and we can see that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time. And now just to log out from one from these accounts in Gmail application, we should log out from Google account on our device, and to do that we should click here manage accounts on this device, and after that we can see here the Google account settings and that and these two accounts. For example, to log out from the second one, just click here and tap remove account. After that, confirm your action by click here to remove account again, and that's it. We can see that in Google account settings we stay only with one Gmail account. And let's go back to the application, let's refresh it, and now we can see the result that in app we also stay only with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.